Hey guys, Rowdy Dog here. I have got the coolest little Bluetooth speaker made by this company, Music Baby, and they sent me this to do my evaluation on. Hey guys, how y'all doing? I'm good. I use these Bluetooth speakers a lot. I've got one sitting over my desk. I listen to a lot of audiobooks on these. I use these in the shower to listen to music, whatever, but this one is cool. It's waterproof, 80 watts of power, and I put a little sample of how good this thing sounds. It's got great bass, excellent, and it's got these lights in it that dance to the music. Actually, it has several different modes. Let me show you how it does. And see how it does all these different modes? Changes color. Very cool. And boy, this thing is substantial too. It's got some weight to it. It's got this little carrying strap on the end here. Very cool, so you can carry that with you, hook it on a backpack or hang it on a tent hook or over your table in your campsite or whatever. And this thing is loud, guys. I mean, it gets after it. And 24 hours of playtime on the battery. And it runs through all these different colors. Hard to see with my light on in here. Let me turn my light off. Hold on a minute. I'm going to turn this light off back here. We'll see if we can see it a little better. There we go. Yeah, you can see those lights in there, and it changes different modes. It does like 8 different modes of lighting. And I can't really do it for you because I'll get a copyright infringement, but I got a little clip of some music, and I'll play that for you right now so you can hear it. Does not do this thing justice. This thing plays. It's got great woofers in it, great sound, and God, just a great product. Now you can also hook up another one of those to it and get stereo sound out of it. You can get 2 of them and pair them together, and it also has a radio in it, and FM radio in it, so you can do that. It gives you a little ops manual here. Very easy to set up to pair for Bluetooth on your phone. I use Pandora a lot, so I listen to Pandora. I have an audiobooks app that I listen to audiobooks, and shoot, just a neat product, easy to work, 24-hour playtime. That's pretty crazy on the battery on a single charge. That's pretty good. And here's your cords. This is your patch cord, so you can hook up external speakers to it if you wanted to right there, or other types of equipment as well as stereo or whatever right into it. And there's your charging cord with a USB-C and a USB cable, and they're pretty long, about 6 foot, both of them, about 6 foot. And also being waterproof, down here, see, here's where you get to all your different components and your charging and everything. Look at this, right there. There's all your charging. You can even put a TF card in here if you wanted to. I did something to it when I turned it over. I probably turned it off. Oh, it's hunting for the... Oh, there goes the radio. I'm going to turn it off, but it has the radio in it. And you hit these buttons here, and that tunes your radio. So you can find channels. You hit this one in the middle, and it'll hunt for channels. Or here, right there. There, and it hunts through different, so you can get to different channels. And it'll hunt through until it finds one for you. And then you can stop it by hitting the button. But I'm going to turn it off. But I'm telling you guys, neat product. You hear that? Anyway, neat product, guys. I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. I'm going to use it in the shower, listen to my audiobooks or listen to some music or whatever. Completely waterproof. Very cool. Anyway, there's the brand name again. Music Baby. All right, guys, y'all have a good one. The old Rowdy Dog is signing off. Take care now.